Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from checkz.com and today we are going to discuss about the borders. So how can you add the borders? You learned how can you add the background images, background colors and background attachments. In this lecture we are going to cover some background effects like this. Okay, now I am going to comment this so you can easily get this code, and I am saying from here to here. I'm starting from here. We have created the index.html file and we are still working on this file. Okay, I'm going to also comment this so you can easily get the code. You can also comment the CSS code like this. Okay, so now how can you add the borders? I'm saying I have a paragraph. I'm saying this is my paragraph. Okay, now I'm saying I have a class. I'm going to use this class, so that's why I'm creating. You can also use a single quotation or double quotation also. I'm saying my style. You can add any name as you want. Okay, now I need to call my my style, and now I'm saying here I need to add the borders. So first of all, which border you are applying, that means border style. I'm saying border style. If I'm saying the border style is dotted, go to the page, refresh the page, so as you can see it's showing the dotted border. And if I'm saying that I'm going to use the dashed, refresh the page, now you can see you are adding the dashed border. If I'm saying I'm using the solid, refresh the page, so now I'm using the solid. Okay, it's not showing because I have to add the solid 1 pixel solid red, 1 pixel solid red, RED. Refresh the page. Okay, why it's not, I'm not adding the style. I just use the border like this. Okay, if you are working on the style, you can also use the solid. I don't know why it's not working solid. Okay, now it's working solid. You can also add the solid, and you can also add the double. Refresh the page, double. And we have a lot of we have others borders like crop like this, and we have rich. We also have insert, inset. We also have outset, and we also have none. None means we are not adding the border color. Okay, we also have the hidden. You can also use the dotted, dashed, solid, double. That means you are saying add 4 different borders. You are saying add the dotted at the top, left dashed, bottom, as you can see this is the solid, and left side is the double. So it's a clockwise mechanism. Okay, so you can add the border style, and you can also add the width. For suppose if you are saying that I'm going to add the solid, refresh the page, so this is the solid. If I'm saying the border width, I'm saying 5 pixel, refresh the page, so now as you can see your border is showing the 5 pixel. You can add as many pixel as you want, so it's totally depend upon you. You can also use medium like this, for suppose medium. Refresh the page. So now as you can see, this is the medium size, and you can also define the clockwise, like top, right, bottom, left. I'm saying 2 pixel, 1 pixel, 3 pixel, sorry, space 5 pixel, and I'm saying 10 pixel. So I'm saying add the 1 pixel to top, then right, then bottom, then left. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, top, left, bottom, and the left. Sorry, top, right, bottom, and the left. So in this way you can add the width also. You can also use the background color. For suppose these are the, for suppose if I'm saying background color, sorry, so you can also use the border color. Border color, for suppose red. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now it's showing the red color. You can also use green, blue, or something else, and you can also use the different colors as well. For suppose if you are saying that add the dash, add the solid border, and the top is red and the right is blue, sorry, and the bottom is green and the left side is olive. Refresh the page. So now as you can see, you are adding 4 different types of colors in the border. So you can also use dotted and also use dash. So it's totally depend upon you and your requirements. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics like padding, margin, and something else. So thank you for